Hello everyone, my name is Sangeeta.
And I am Payal from Detangle Interiors Vadodara. Let's get started for my home tour.
This flat is designed for a small family with 4 members. It's like youngsters thing.
We have given edgy look in interiors with raw elements.
This is the main entrance. We have used veneer with MDF deep CNC design along with melamine polish. The nameplate is customized for completing the entrance look. We have placed this beautiful bell to complement the area.
Now, let's talk about foyer. In foyer area, black mirror glass is used for making the area larger. And a big shoe rack cum utility cabinet is placed. Cabinet is finished with veneer and polished. Cabinet doors have through-cut design for air ventilation.
The living area. This area is designed with clean, sleek, minimal furniture. Here, gypsum ceiling with panel lights and grooves is done. The main long wall have stucco cement finished texture to provide raw concrete look. With a vibrant cyan blue L-shaped sofa and a TV unit finished with veneer. The accessories are used here are also simple in design. The living area have a beautiful balcony too. Balcony have low cozy sitting with center table. Here anyone can relax and play games like cards, carom or have a cup of coffee.
Now comes the dining area. This area is designed to be highlighted as paneling is done from ceiling to wall. Paneling have wooden strips which are joined in V-groove pattern with pretty golden butterflies. Isn't these are pretty?
Yes.
The dining table and chairs are also made on site. The table have white quartz stone on top and wooden legs along with 4 chairs and 1 bench.
Now coming to the main part of the house, the kitchen. In kitchen, we have taken white quartz stone on platform and Moroccan pattern black slash tiles on the wall. The kitchen is designed as modular kitchen style with tandem channels and hinges. Then finished with wooden design laminate in bottom and grey acrylic sheet in overhead cabinets. Service platform have provision for mixer grinder and microwave.
Now comes to master bedroom. Master bedroom have raw fill as the main wall is covered with exposed brick and the rest with concrete stucco texture.
A proper back painted glass closet is designed for the young couple.
And the full heighted mirror is placed next to the closet. Small study table is made in front of bed. A king size bed with velvet headboard and hydraulic pump storage bed completes the bedroom.
Isn't it edgy?
Of course.
Coming to the parents' room. This room is designed with simplicity and elegance. Room have white and brown color theme. The bed is finished with veneer and have dressing with the side table. The closet is finished with white glossy laminate and MDF deep design handles.
Now comes to the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom have a queen size bed and a small closet. A small temple is placed here for doing puja. So that's the end of my home tour.
How do you like the place? Please let us know in comments.
Also do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
And press bell icon for new updates. Stay tuned. Signing off.
Thank you.